Looking to level up your digital game? If you're thinking about investing in godlike digital solutions, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before you make the decision. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down the 7 most important points you should consider before buying. First off, let's talk about how godlike digital solutions stands out from its competitors. Many solutions on the market promise you results, but godlike actually delivers with a powerful, user-friendly interface that gives you access to top-tier tools right at your fingertips. I've personally used it, and the value is clear. Its ease of use and customization options beat out most of the competition. Unlike other software that requires a steep learning curve, godlike lets you dive right in and get to work without wasting time. Next thing to consider, the pricing model. Now, a lot of digital tools offer flashy discounts or hidden fees down the road, but with godlike, what you see is what you get. They offer transparent pricing with flexible plans that suit both beginners and seasoned pros. Plus, you can start for free with no commitment, giving you the chance to test it out before diving in. The third thing you need to know is their support system. One of the key things I noticed with godlike digital solutions is how quickly their customer support team responds. Unlike other platforms where you're left hanging, godlike provides real-time assistance, which is a huge deal when you're dealing with complex software. Whether you're facing a technical issue or simply need advice, they've got you covered. The fourth thing is scalability. As your business grows, you'll want a solution that grows with you, and godlike delivers in this area. Whether you're just starting or managing a team of hundreds, it can scale according to your needs. I've seen competitors struggle to adapt, but godlike's flexibility allows it to handle larger demands without crashing or slowing down. The fifth point you need to know is the integration options. Godlike works seamlessly with other platforms, which is essential if you're already using certain tools. It integrates with everything from CRM systems to email marketing platforms. Many other solutions offer limited integrations, making it difficult to connect all your tools in one place. Godlike eliminates this problem, letting you keep everything organized and connected. Sixth, let's talk about customization. One thing that sets godlike apart from other digital solutions is how customizable it is. You're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all template. Whether you want to personalize your dashboard or adjust settings for a more specific purpose, you can make it work exactly the way you want it. That level of customization is rare and makes it incredibly appealing if you need something tailored to your needs. And the seventh thing you should know, their security. In today's digital age, protecting your data is non-negotiable. Godlike takes security seriously, implementing industry-standard encryption and proactive measures to safeguard your information. This level of security ensures your business stays protected from potential threats, unlike some competitors who might skimp on these important features. So, if you're ready to experience the power of godlike digital solutions, make sure you click the first link in the description below to grab the best free trial offer. It's risk-free, and you get exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out on the chance to test it for yourself and see how it stacks up against the competition. Click that link and start boosting your digital strategy today.